In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Now hit accessibility and convenience. Then scroll again to choose one-handed mode. And use gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Now you need to follow all of those instructions to use it. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To go back, you can click on this area, or you can simply swipe up. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!